Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need a new product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the notification bell for more videos. So let's see the products and hacks we've got in this video. These are some products for women. Let's see what's in this box. This is a tablet. It's a desktop computer. These are watches for women. Let's see what's in this beautiful apartment. This is a lamp. You can also use it for charging your mobile phone. Let's see what's in this bathroom. This is a brush you can use for your feet, and you can use it for your back. It's helpful. This is an electric tub. You can use it for your feet. This is a cooker. And this is a cutter you can use for vegetables and fruits. You can use it for peeling potatoes or any other vegetables. This is a small grinder you can use for garlic, and this is a cutter. This is an old brush. Let's see this apartment. This is the package. This is an electric kettle. You can use for heating water. And this is an iron. This is a small trash bin. You can use it anywhere at home. And this is a wallet. These are some organizers you can use for the fridge. And this is a mop. This is a mat, and this is a cleaner you can use for mats. We've got this one you can use for cutlery. This is a spinning tool you can use for glass bottles. We've got this small holder you can use in the bathroom. This is another beautiful apartment. This is a shelf you can use for organizing your shoes. This is a cleaner. This is another mop. This is another mop. We've got these items you can use for your toilet. This is a closet you can use for organizing your shoes. This is another apartment. we'll see all the products we've got in these boxes. This is a wallet you can use for glasses, and this is an electric file. This is a brush you can use for cleaning your sneakers. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.